two feral cats in the garden. They were born in a bush in the spring. They've been training all spring and all summer. They figure they know everything. They can rip the lid off your garbage. They can pounce on a mole or a mouse. They might even grab a sausage or two if you let them sneak into your house. They practice their sneaking and pouncing all summer and into the fall, but they don't know winter is coming, so they really know nothing at all. No, if you don't know the weather is changing, then you really know nothing at all. There are humans all over this planet. They were born on an African plain, and they strut around on their hind legs, and they're proud of their oversized brain. They've been fishing and mining and drilling for the toys they create with their toil, and cutting down forests of timber in order to free up the soil. They know about stars and electrons, things huge or invisibly small, but if they don't know the climate is changing, then they really know nothing at all. No, if you don't know the climate is changing, then you really know nothing at all. I know the difference between climate and weather. You don't have to correct me on that. It's just climate for the whole human species is like weather for one little cat. Yes, climate for the whole human species is like weather for one little cat.